Petrol and diesel is due to become more expensive from the new year. Already the government imposes a lot of charges on petrol and diesel, more than half the cost of the litre of petrol or diesel that you put into the car or van or truck is made up of government levies, excise duty, VAT, etc. But there's a change in one of the elements of the cost that makes up the litre of fuel in your car, and that's a thing called the Renewable Transport Fuel Obligation. This is an environmental policy. A change in that means that there's going to be an extra 4 cents on the litre of petrol and diesel from the start of the year. Another thing called the Better Energy Levy, that'll add another 1 cent. So between those two, that's an extra 5 cents on the litre of diesel and the litre of petrol from the new year. Now, all told, according to Fuels for Ireland, this is the industry group, something like 32 cents has been added to the cost of a litre of petrol and a litre of diesel in the last 5 years by government levies. That works out at about 19 euros for a full tank of petrol or diesel. So a hell of a lot of impositions there by the government. So we put this to the government saying, do you not have too many taxes and levies on fuel? It's already a big burden for motorists. After all, something like 60% of the cost of a litre of diesel is made up of duties and taxes, one of the highest rates of duties and taxes in the European Union. And the government's response is that, look, carbon taxes, they're about trying to get people to transition away from environmentally damaging fuels to the likes of EVs, electric cars, and that money that's raised from the carbon tax is ring-fenced and used for initiatives to help people who are struggling with energy bills to afford those and to fund environmentally friendly work.